details about the total engine room. Hello. So we are about to enter a noisy and a hot place. I don't know how good the audio will be. In case it's bad, I'll fill it up with the comments. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Very noisy here because of the machinery is running. We are at sea, so main engine, generators, auxiliary machines, everything is running now. This big silver color is the main engine. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Engine control room. As you can see, a lot of electrical panels, switches, buttons. I myself don't know what was the purpose of all this, but anyways, screens like bridge. Here also they have a telegraph. This is a boiler used to generate a lot of heat for heating up fuel oil tanks and whenever we need for steam. Engine room workshop. Some work is going on here. Still nice and clean. Tools in place. Storeroom. Okay, power packs are the machinery which gives hydraulic line pressure for cargo pump, sorry. We have 4 power packs, 2 diesel and 2 electric. They power all the cargo pumps. Basically they give all the hydraulic pressure. They generate all the hydraulic pressure needed. Important thing out here is these three are the generators. 1, 2 and 3 generators. Look at the size of the generator. See here. This is the main engine. This platform is main engine emergency maneuvering platform. We have some emergency local maneuvering platforms here. Telephone for communication with bridge. AC connected to the propeller. This is a door for steering platform. It's a requirement to keep emergency fire pump having double door segregation. That was hard. Steering gear room. So this room has the control for the rudder, ship's rudder. I just now showed you the ship's propeller. So this room has the controls for the rudder. Chemical locker, some stores, firefighting equipment, and an emergency fire pump out here. So this has two motors, two steering motors, 1 and 2. In case one fails, we can work on 2. Sometimes in maneuvering we keep both the motors on, so that the rudder has a very quick response. So this is going all down outside the ship. This shaft is connected to the ship's rudder. Obviously we can't see that from here. I think this concludes the engine room tour. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe please.
I had forgotten to wear this in the engine room, so it's very hot.